Hi, so what is computer science? In our world, we are surrounded by systems running on some logic, from a calculator to a washing machine or an autopilot. Telling these machines how to behave in different situations is what computer science is. Isn't that fun? We could also now program these machines to learn through experience and alter their behavior just like we do, just like human beings do. And that is the domain of artificial intelligence inside computer science. After a degree in computer science, the possibilities are enormous. You could be a programmer in a software house, for sure, but you could also be a freelancer, or be into business intelligence and data warehouse, or you could be interested in computer graphics and go into computer game development, or even build intelligent systems for the military. There are just too many possibilities. KITE also requires the students to be able to program physical robots, electronic and digital systems. You could go into digital systems if you wanted to. Cryptography and networks are two other very main and very relevant areas. The possibilities are limitless. At KITE, we build strong foundations. We do not ignore the foundations. Not the foundations in programming, neither that in mathematics. There are no lab issues at KITE. There are a number of courses with projects and assignments that you need to do. We also require the students to be able to program robots and physical electronic systems. And we also strive at KITE to remain modern and relevant. For example, Python was introduced very early as a mandatory course for the students out here because we knew that would be the language in the future. By the way, I am Ehsan Rehman, the head of computer science department at KITE. See you soon.